Whip, blend, and mix your favorite recipes with ease for smoother baking results every time. Best Hand Blender for cake mixing helps create fluffy batters, creamy frostings, and perfect consistency, making your baking faster, easier, and more enjoyable with powerful performance and versatile mixing control. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Bella 200-Watt Hand Blender. The Bella 200-Watt Hand Blender is a practical kitchen appliance designed for home cooks who want flexibility and convenience in one compact unit. Its 2-in-1 functionality allows you to switch easily between hand mixer and countertop mixer modes, making it ideal for everything from whipping cream and mixing cake batter to kneading dough for homemade bread. This versatility makes it a reliable choice for small kitchens where saving counter space matters. The built-in viewing window is a thoughtful feature that lets you monitor texture and consistency while mixing, helping avoid over-mixing or interruptions during preparation. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to dishwasher-safe bowls and accessories, which save time after baking sessions. The suction feet add extra stability during operation, keeping the mixer securely in place even during heavier tasks. One standout addition is the multi-use cover plate, which doubles as a bench scraper and dough cutter, adding more value to the overall package. With its user-friendly design and practical attachments, this hand blender is a smart option for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Number 2. KitchenAid KHB V53 Hand Blender. The KitchenAid KHB V53 Hand Blender delivers dependable blending performance with the quality and sleek design the brand is known for. Equipped with a removable 8-inch blending arm and a durable 4-point stainless steel blade, it handles smoothies, soups, sauces, milkshakes, and purees with impressive consistency. The variable speed trigger gives you complete control over blending intensity, allowing for smoother transitions between delicate mixing and more powerful blending tasks. A major advantage is the patented pan guard, which protects cookware from scratches when blending directly inside pots and pans. The included 3-cup BPA-free blending jar is convenient for preparing individual servings or storing ingredients for later use. Its compact and lightweight construction makes handling comfortable, even during extended use. The dishwasher-safe blending arm also keeps cleanup quick and simple. This hand blender is ideal for users seeking a straightforward, efficient kitchen tool without unnecessary complexity. It combines durability, convenience, and performance in a way that suits daily kitchen tasks perfectly, making it an excellent investment for quick meal preparation and effortless blending results.
Number 3. Ganiza Immersion Hand Blender. The Ganiza Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful all-in-one kitchen appliance built for serious performance and versatility. Featuring an upgraded 1100-watt copper motor, it provides exceptional blending strength that easily tackles thick soups, sauces, smoothies, and even tougher ingredients. The motor is designed for long-term durability, offering significantly longer life compared to standard immersion blenders. One of its most impressive features is the patented dual-rod frothing system, which quickly creates creamy milk foam while also functioning as a highly efficient whisk for eggs, batters, and dough preparation. The stainless steel 4-leaf blade ensures consistently smooth textures, while the scratch-resistant guard protects cookware surfaces. With 15 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost function, users can customize blending precision for any recipe. The included 6-in-1 set featuring a beaker, chopper, whisk, frother, and masher adds outstanding versatility for meal prep. Its detachable components allow for easy storage and cleaning, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. This hand blender offers professional-level power, flexibility, and convenience, making it a great choice for families or anyone who regularly cooks at home. Number 4. Ninja Immersion CI201ND Hand Blender. The Ninja Immersion CI201ND hand blender stands out with its combination of power, intelligent performance, and practical design. Built with a durable 9-inch stainless steel immersion arm, it allows direct blending in deep pots and pans, making soup preparation fast and convenient. The built-in pan guard helps prevent scratches, preserving your cookware during use. What truly sets this model apart is Smart Torque technology, which maintains steady power even when blending thick or frozen ingredients. This means smoother performance without stalling or slowing down. Its 4 speed settings provide excellent control, letting you handle everything from delicate whisking to heavy-duty blending. The included rapid whisk attachment is especially useful for whipping cream, pancake batter, and meringues quickly and efficiently. The 4-cup blending pitcher adds another layer of convenience for smoothies and frozen drinks, eliminating the need for a separate countertop blender. Cleanup is simple thanks to dishwasher-safe, BPA-free components. Compact yet highly capable, this blender is a great choice for those wanting professional-grade blending performance in a versatile handheld format. It delivers power, control, and convenience for a wide variety of kitchen tasks.
Number 5. Ganiza Immersion 800ml Hand Blender. The Ganiza Immersion 800ml hand blender is a feature-rich appliance that delivers reliable performance for everyday kitchen use. Powered by a strong 1000-watt pure copper motor, it offers smooth and efficient blending for everything from creamy soups and baby food to smoothies and sauces. The durable 4-blade stainless steel assembly ensures precise blending results while improving long-term reliability. One of its standout features is the 16-speed control system, which allows users to fine-tune blending power based on recipe. The turbo mode provides an instant performance boost for harder ingredients, making food prep faster and easier. This model also includes practical accessories such as an 800ml beaker, 600ml chopper, whisk, and milk frother, giving it excellent versatility for multiple cooking tasks. Whether chopping onions, whipping cream, or blending drinks, it handles each task efficiently. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after use. Designed with both functionality and convenience in mind, this immersion blender offers excellent value for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile kitchen companion without taking up too much storage space. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.